Hello all, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And the colors I'm using Golden's color pouring medium, and I have Payne's gray, and I darkened that up a bit with some Bone Black by Golden. And this is a 10:1 mixing ratio, so 10 parts of the Golden fluid pouring medium, or the Golden color pouring medium in gloss, and then 1 ounce of the paint, and I used fluid paint. This is just the Bone Black. And then I have Iridescent Pearl as well. So I wanted to try something out. I know it's been done before, but I haven't done it in quite a while. I know I've done it in my earlier videos where I've actually sprayed spray paint into the cup or the funnel and we just let it go on the canvas. So today, that's what we're gonna do. I have this cute little funnel, and I'm gonna coat the canvas, and then in between my layers into the funnel, I'm going to spray some of the Krylon's foil metallic gold in there, and to see its little reaction on the canvas. I know it separates out and it just gets really lacy, so we'll see how that goes. The first thing we're gonna do here is we are going to flood our canvas. And I might need to put some more on there, but for right now, we're just gonna move it around. And I don't know what is right there, but there's something. I'm gonna put that over there. All right, I got something in there. Let me go get some torches in the other room. All right, now that we have, I'm gonna put this over here. We've coated our canvas. I've given it a couple of torches. I might have to do a little more. Let's see, a little more. We're just gonna leave that there. Let me get the base coat. So I think what I wanna do is I wanna start here around 1/3 up on the canvas. I'm just putting a puddle there. My fingers are sticking together. All right. what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the funnel there. And I put a little black. And some of the pearl. Some of the gold. Maybe a little more of the pearl. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm just gonna move this out. I did get a little overspray here, but that's okay. Once I start moving this, I think it'll be okay. Looks kind of funky. And I'm just going to stretch this out and just go left to right, or maybe I'll just stretch it out even more. I'm not sure. We're just going to start moving it along. I'm just going to really stretch this. I want to open up some of those rings. I love the Payne's Gray in here. I think I'm gonna just let that go right off the side and just really, really stretch this piece out. I think what will work is I will come in with my gold leafing paint and add some details. I'm actually gonna just play for a minute. So I think we're just gonna leave it like this, and we're gonna bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. Come over this way. I love the lacing and all of this. But yeah, so this is the final piece. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything else to it. I kind of like the clean and simple composition, but we shall see how it dries. All right, here are the dried results. I love this piece. The background is, like I had mentioned in the video, Payne's gray mixed with some bone black, and it definitely dried much darker. You can see bits of the black in here, but I'm loving the pearl white and the metallic spray. I think it turned out really pretty, so I'm very happy with it. And then we have the round one, so hold on one second. And this one turned out really cool, and I'm gonna resin both of them. These little dotted areas are actually where the gold is coming up from underneath the black. So that's actually pretty cool how it did that. And I love this dotted line where the spray paint separated. But yeah, I'm super happy and resined. I think they're gonna look beautiful. And I think that's it. So guys, thanks so much for joining me today. You have a wonderful day, and maybe we'll do some more of these. Bye.